Okay, so this is my exam 2 presentation. So for the first part of it, I found 4 different videos. The top 2 are the ones that are for gun control, and the other 2 are not supporting it. I kind of just put this as an example just to show like kind of the short description of the clips that I used. The top 2 are more of like people wanting stricter gun laws and more of like the semi-automatic guns. The other 2 kind of like using them for self-defense. People don't want them taken away from them. And then for explanation for behavioral and emotional, for the top one, for the side that I thought did a better job of expressing themselves and their ideas, was the side that was against gun control. Obviously, like for, I think it was video 3, so this one and video 4, they kind of have, you can tell like the behavior being used in those 2 of more of the aggressive kind of side. They're kind of more aggravated at the fact that people are trying to ban guns in general when they want to use them for self-defense. And just kind of using behaviors more towards of anger than happiness or, whatever else. More of like I would say a passive-aggressive way. Emotionally, I would say this one is also the same side just because in video 3 especially, the lady talked about something that was really personal to her about the Vegas shooting, and you can tell that she was about to cry, and both videos, I would say video 3 and video 4 kind of show them using their gestures a lot more, and just using it to express how they feel emotionally and how aggravated they were about the topic. Here is the rubric that I did. I thought that all 4 videos for the top 4, so articulation and speech, voice loud and loudness, semantics, syntax, are all like, I gave them all 4s just because they have good facts in them. Their voice and loudness was all pretty well. If you go down to gestures, video 1 and 2, they both don't have the speaker in front of like the camera or anything. It's just they gave examples and videos as to what they were talking about. And they just you can't really see the gestures as often as you can in video 3 and 4. Organization and engagement, they both gave really clear understanding as to what the topic they were talking about and what side they were against and what side they were against. So in that's why I kind of gave them the 4s. And then video 1 for engagement and organization, it just didn't seem like it was super clear as to what was really going on in that video. They kind of just gave examples, and that's pretty much it. So that is my exam 2 presentation. Thank you.